D is the midpoint of side BC. D is the midpoint of side BC of triangle ABC. So clearly they told that AD is the median. These two sides are equal. CE and BF intersect at O, a point on AD. O is a point on AD. AD is produced to G such that OD equals DG. First they told that BD is equal to DC, and now they gave the information like OD is equal to OG. So here first we need to prove OB. So I'll not write given here, I'll prove. So first proof, quadrilateral in quadrilateral OBGC. If you'll observe OBGC, see BD is equal to DC. BD equals DC, which is given. Next, OD equals DG. This is also given. So in quadrilateral OBGC, clearly diagonals are bisecting each other. If diagonals are bisecting in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, OBGC is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram because reason is diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other, therefore it is a parallelogram. Now next one, EF. This is the tough part in this problem because see EF, this line is parallel to BC. If you'll try to think of EF and BC, you will not get. So just now they gave parallelogram, we have proved here. So definitely the problem will be linked with the parallelogram. So to prove the second proof, to prove the second one, so OBGC is a parallelogram. See, if you observe carefully here, this line OC is parallel to BG. I can say that EC is parallel to BG, or I can write EO is parallel to BG. So this way, then I can take this triangle EBG. I'll write and I'll show you. Second one, see, BG is parallel to CO because you can write OBGC is a parallelogram. Now second part, BG is parallel to CE also we can write because it's a same line, continue line. And I can write BG is parallel to OE because I need OE because all three are same part of a line. Now here I'll take triangle BG is parallel to EO and I'll take triangle ABG. And if I'll apply BPT here, I will get AE by EB equals AO by OG. This is equation 1. This I wrote with the help of BPT. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side, this one, parallel to one side, parallel to BG, will divide, this EO divides AB and AG in the same ratio, that is AE by EB, AO by OG. Now in the same way, second, in this only the other part, the other side. Now GC is parallel to BO because OBGC is a parallelogram. Now GC is parallel to BF, but I'll write GC is parallel to OF, and I'll take a triangle here. See, OF and GC, these two are parallel, and I'll take triangle AGC or ACG. Triangle ACG. Now, in that, the sides proportional, see very clearly, AF by FC, AO by OG. Here I'll get AF by FC equals AO by OG. Equation 2 with the help of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now here, from 1 and 2, from 1 and equation 2, if you'll observe AO by OG, AO by OG. So clearly I can write as AE by EB equals AF by FC. So from this I can conclude that EF is parallel to BC, and the reason is converse of BPT. Because converse of BPT theorem states that in a triangle, see, if you'll observe the triangle carefully here, like AB, ABC, and just now you got here. Now see, AE by EB, AE by EB equals AF by FC. In a triangle, if a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. Therefore, EF is parallel to BC. Two parts are done. Now, for the third one, AEF is similar to ABC. Here I'll do it here. Triangle AEF, just now we got EF is parallel to BC, is similar to triangle ABC. Now, angle AEF equals angle ABC, because just now there is that EF is parallel to BC, and these angles are like corresponding angles. In the same way, angle AFE equals ACB, same reason, corresponding angles. So triangle AEF is similar to triangle ABC, and reason is angle similarity. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.